If you do not politically organize yourselves, that's the only the solution is organization. Organize yourselves, become part of something political. But you all don't want to do that. You want to keep up with the Kardashians. That's what is important. You want to keep up with the Kardashians, all your reality shows, and you don't understand that it is your oppressors that pay for this, bringing me to another part of the system. Uncle Femi Falana said he is wishing that more Nigerian young people participate in our elections as they participate in Big Brother. He said he wishes that. So I now replied, I said, the money that his friends spent on Big Brother to entice the youth, if they spend that kind of money to educate the youth on the importance of political participation, the youth will engage. Because there will be a show, a political Big Brother. You see, there is this social Big Brother, and you know, even social, this consume, I don't even understand, it's antisocial in a way. To me, Big Brother is an antisocial experiment. It's not really a social experiment. You understand? It is actually an anti-social experiment. But that's the story for another day. You understand? If, as we get this Big Brother, imagine if there was another show where young people, the most brilliant of Nigeria, that in a year, in fact, let's put this out there, all the Yeye bloggers, share this part. Let's ask for sponsorship. Let's create a program, right, that will give 100 million to the winner too. But this time it is the most brilliant, the people will get the highest grade for all Nigerian universities. All our 30, how many university? 36 federal university, 30 something state, all maybe 100 top universities in Nigeria. We bring all their best graduating students, we put them in the house. And every week or every game, they solve one of the problems. 1 week we say transportation problem, all this traffic in Nigeria. What is their, they all debate, everybody come up with their idea, and then they present the idea to the Big Brother. The best idea, we vote for the best idea. We do another one, we do health. You know, we do all those kind of things, and they come up with ideas. We as the people, we vote for these ideas for the best. And the one that comes up with the most best ideas, you know, we'll group them engineers. In fact, we'll even take boys from street. Let's not make it elitist. Street and school. People will get away surgery for street because not everybody will go school now no book. Not be only book brain, now be brain. You don't understand? Not be only book brain, be brain. Street brain self is brain, is necessary. So let's put the people in the street. The boys will surgery pass. Let's say we'll do their own entry, we'll find a way to test them. So now we are inside this house with the best young minds in Nigeria. And we are voting for them to come up with the best ideas to solve our problem. If they put money behind this one too, it will increase political participation. You understand me? It is not only about, say, we as people, we engage something. How do we promote that thing? I'll use myself as an example here. If I take my album to radio station, all the radio people, they love me. I don't see any hate or beef. Oh, Sean, we love the project, we love the music, and they go play my music. The day where I go there, go drop am. Maybe they go play am again, play am sometimes. But it's difficult for you to hear radio people talking, say, hey, Seun Kuti, man, listen to that guy, man. Seun Kuti is a G, man. We love him, man. Shout out, he's doing things. You hardly hear that. You understand? Because it's not only about putting the thing now, waiting you push, now people will really pay attention. You understand? So when Nigerian politicians even create, sometimes they'll come, even when they create things for young people, they will never advertise it. The way they will advertise those things, where they won't lead you astray. You understand? It is the promotion, the advertisement. You understand what I tell you? As we get ready for Nigeria, there are many programs, federal program, state program, to benefit young people, like, you know, even though not tokenism, you know, all these their programs. If you engage, you will find that there are lots of programs where they share money for their supporters, but they don't allow them. They don't promote them. Look at the whole of Lagos. It's full of hotel and nightclub. All these people, when they build all these hotel and nightclub, some of them get 8 hotel, 10 hotel, but they don't go build library. They don't go build youth development centers, job creation centers. You don't understand? So there are so many other ways that people can invest their money for the betterment of Nigeria. Now, don't get me twisted. I'm not saying you when they say spare parts, where go carry money go, whatever is your. I'm talking of those people controlling our commonwealth. This is what is called demystifying the system. When building collapsed for Ikoyi, suddenly all the file about that building disappear. That